Welcome everybody to a brand new year. Ignore the date in the bottom right corner. I'm not recording this a few days in advance. 2023, very exciting. It always is with a new year, isn't it? Well, it's exciting for about a month until you realise it's going to be about the same as every other year, and then it starts becoming exciting. This year, it's going to be very different for me because, of course, I've got a job. I'm going to be starting 2 days after the publishing of this video. Wish me luck. I got my master's degree last year and all that stuff, which is wild. It feels great to finally be out of education and be in the working world. It feels weird still, but it feels good at the very least. The channel did really quite well last year as well. You know, there were a lot of videos that got into recommendations. YouTube kind of teased me a lot. You know, it kind of gaveth and tooketh, or whatever the words are, I don't remember, which was fun, I guess. It was interesting to say the least. Yeah, hopefully you had a good 2022. If you did, then hooray. Hopefully 2023 builds on that. If you didn't, then hopefully 2023 is better. I hope you had a good holidays and everything and all that stuff. Yada, yada, yada. Get on with it, Ethan. Okay. So, we're going to start the year with quite a simple video. A few months ago, we pushed the website, the Carberra website, people to go have a look at, which was developed by my friend Mr. Dojebro. I can't really take any of the credit at all, really, for its development. I talked about it a little bit in an update video, but I thought, I'd do a full proper video of a little tour of it. The website isn't super complicated at the moment. There's not much going on with it. There will be new stuff added as time goes on, but I'm just going to do a little bit of a tour of what we have now. So I'm going to open Firefox and I'm going to go to, there we go, it took a while to load, Carberra.xyz, and I'm going to go in full screen. And look at this, look how pretty this looks. It's so cool. I love I'm so glad I went with the font that I did, because it just looks so cool in situations like this. It's awesome. But yeah, you can see kind of the dots floating around in the background. That is a JavaScript library. I don't know what it's called. I might ask Mr. Dojebro and put it as text in the video in case you're curious. But yeah, the website itself has, on the front page it has links to the Discord, the GitHub, the Patreon, and the YouTube. Oh my word. Okay, I think my recording of the website isn't making it very happy right now. We also have links up here to the series and the about. There's also a link to the series here as well. There is an Easter egg on this page too. However, I will let you find that. So yeah, if you do find what it is, then put it in the comments below, but don't make it super obvious. Just so other people can go and find it if they want to. I'm going to navigate away from this page before OBS completely ruins it. So this is just a little bit of an about. This I wrote a long time ago, actually, like a really, really long time ago. Actually, this probably needs to be updated because I think this still says I'm a student, which is actually not true anymore. Okay, we'll move off that because that's just misleading advertising. And we'll come to the main point of this website right now, which is this series page, which kind of shows off, different series that I've done. It also gives you kind of indicators to which series is still going. So obviously all these episodic series are either finished or cancelled. You then got stuff like this, which are dormant. So the Perfect Python series isn't being updated at the moment, so it's currently dormant. But I'm thinking about doing more in the future. And you've got things that are active. Python but fast, I haven't updated that in a while, but there are plans to. The 3.11, 3.12, which are kind of the main focuses of November's uploads. Python 1.0 stuff. Python is awesome, all this stuff. So for each one, you can go in. I think you can click this or the Explore, and it does the same thing, yeah. And you can look at the most recent video here in the embedded player. And you also have some information about what you need to use the series. Python is Awesome isn't the best example of that, actually. Something like the Hikari supplementary tutorials are a better example because it shows you need Hikari. I'm going to zoom in a bit, actually. It shows you need Hikari, you need Lightbulb, you need .env, all this stuff. So this is kind of a replacement for the old files thing. Let's actually see if I can get so it'd be files.carberra.xyz. I think it's then /request quite, because these ones still do exist, and Discord's bot 2020 will have. I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. So this is what that looked like. It did look a little bit different when it came out because of the old branding, but this is what it looks like now. So you can see there's quite a substantial difference between the two there. You can see where I had Dojabra update everything. But yeah, that's actually kind of it. Besides, you have your links to the actual place itself, which takes you to the playlist, so you can watch it all here. But yeah, that is kind of it with the website. As I said, there isn't really much to it right now. It's just kind of a hub, really, for you to navigate around. So you have, your links at the front page, and you have the series info. Series info will be updated as time goes on. It's manually updated at the moment, but hopefully will be automatically updated at some point in the future. And then there'll be a contact page going on there at some point too, but that's not on here yet because I just kind of wanted to push it out, and the contact page wasn't really finished or working yet because I just changed all my email addresses around and I couldn't be asked to deal with it. So that'll be going up at some point in the future. I don't know when. But yeah, I thought this would be just a nice little video to kind of bring us into the new year. In terms of videos and stuff, the videos, so they're not going up on Mondays anymore. They'll be going up based on the results of the feedback survey. At time of recording, there are still 1 or 2 days for people to put in responses, but the most popular response by some way is Saturday. So it's looking like videos will be going up on Saturdays going forward. So I imagine the next video will be on the 6th rather than tomorrow. In terms of streams, in terms of the 5K subscriber stream, that is still happening. It's just I never had a good time to do it, and then I got ill and then Christmas and everything. And with jobs and previous commitments and stuff, the earliest I'm theoretically going to be able to do the stream is the 21st of January. So look out for that. There'll be, a Discord event and a YouTube kind of prepared live stream or a scheduled live stream put up when that happens. So you'll be able to find out when it's happening from there. But yeah, I just want to thank everyone that joined the channel in 2022, and I look forward to seeing what happens in 2023, I guess. So yeah, see you on Saturday.